So one of the things that people find incredibly challenging about this graphing stuff that I think if you will stick to what I want you to do is not that challenging is finding a distance. There is a horrid distance formula that, in my opinion, is the most worthless formula in all of math to memorize because if you don't get the formula, it's so easy to mess up writing it down, and you can just draw a picture of it and use something simple, Pythagorean theorem, that probably most of you know. So that's what we're going to do. To get the distance for all this stuff. We're going to plot some points, draw a little triangle, do Pythagorean theorems. We'll talk about what that is in a little bit. Okay, a couple things. If it doesn't ask you to round the answer, just leave it under the square root. So let's say you get like square root of 26. Okay, just leave it. I don't even know what that decimal is. Now, if it asks me to round to something, then make sure that you actually round to it. Okay, and then this is the big one, and this is the thing that people just cannot remember no matter what I do. I could probably put a quiz on it every day, and someone still would get to the test or the quiz or the Regents exam and be like, I don't know what that means. So if you see a question that says find BC, okay, that means what's the distance from B to C? Okay, now, maybe you're finding that on a graph, maybe you're not, but that's what it means. So when you come across that, you have to know that because if you don't, you can get all kinds of insane answers, find the slope, stuff that makes no sense. All right, so we have to remember that that's what that means. It means find the slope. We're doing some Pythagorean theorem. And the other little thing I want to write down here is this means you're going to get decimals. You're going to have them. Okay, we haven't had decimals on anything that we've done so far this year, anything like 0.5s. You're going to get decimals with this, all right, because we're taking square roots, and square roots have decimals nearly every single time. So be prepared for that.